afoyo tutwal kadugu iwan TV kumbeto amete ki conversation kakany enni fudogo tikaneno loklogo ngomu time kabere wen Pope Francis lawo presiding over the Easter Mass mubero tie of course on Sunday mono marking on the resurrection of Christ kenema dano Lukricto maromo million ngwen we bicha ye pilgrims filling out kabere makiluoni St. Peter's Square the war on Sunday morning, and of course, the Catholic faithful, they were joined by tens of thousands of followers from Netherlands. And remember, celebration is as a remark, a step mao chake mwa elifachiel mi abongwen ki Pierre Bor we a beach part sometime back on Pope Francis no tika wheelchair then maber, and now with the resurrection of Christ we were able to see him finally, not on a wheelchair, and able to conduct a mass at St. Peter's Square.
Atamni 1 week ago, we had a story ma Pope Vore Oyat.
Yes.
He was having respiratory issues. Maben were reporting a lot. I didn't take a word for me. That's a shock.
It's a miracle.
And it's a big one because all along, Madong, all his visit to being in Congo, South Africa, he was on a wheelchair all through. And then take a word with that kind of energy, take a word mabeni. Now, and I and we should believe Nino and he's with us. That is why those who believe have the courage to pick up from wherever he is, to be who they are. For me, I think this is something very interesting. I'm here watching processions line lega mogoti maki following online. Mangeni jomo beru ki chance meet St. Peter's Square. Those are the lucky few. Ento madwonge bena makom gigume. They were following these things.
Actually, St. Peter's Square is more of a tourist city.
It's a destination.
It's a destination. It's a religious tourist. It's just like the way you see Uganda Matters na Mugongo tika kerebe.
Yes.
And for us, I think we are not doing our best because that was baptism.
Yeah, almost.
Yes, we're conducting even adult baptism. Wow, that was so nice. Just imagine being baptized by a pope.
Yeah, it was one good experience. I've seen a couple of our leaders meeting the Pope, but sometimes Pope I think these are things we need to check out. I think we need to look for Honorable Okelo because she has been the closest person. She has had so many times meeting with the Pope.
Even the Speaker of Uganda.
Yes, Speaker Among had to meet the Pope. Okelo has met the Pope like 3 times. Yes. Then we have Honorable Catherine Lwak. She has also met the Pope like once.
So, Pope, what do they discuss with the Pope?
Of course, those are filters. Mami watching Pope. Kai tiki kwa change ni kwa Pope tiki me because the last time I saw a Pope is when he came to Uganda. And I was among the guys accredited to do photography. I gig American white kimako chilling again. Erna time walk chung kita chung more kiloti kanane. No mirki blocking coach you more.
Do you know that the Pope is bigger than any president of any country? Did you know that?
Religion is bigger than anything in this world.
Because honestly speaking, Papa Kirmadan war kere. I mean, even he's coming to Uganda. Ineno Kirmadan chiaro kere de ulundation at Ento International Airport. Makamu chiaro kabir mapapa ati munyonyo up to the time chiaro kere to Uganda Matters na Mugongo. I mean, TV, I was home, TV, but I was filled with joy. But I love Christianity. Christianity is Christianity.
I think I was among the accredited photographers covering the Pope. And I think I overworked. And I had a story that came up in the press. Nihao photographing the Pope made him a great Ugandan photographer. Even then, I was already a great photographer. So the Pope only gave me more visibility because I covered. And I was so happy because it can give me part more and I'm watching it during one of these big occasions. during the visit of the Pope. I think that's when Makar Machil Besije, President Museveni Obino, and Rwate in the process of Besije.
Exactly. The unification.
Exactly. That was the kind of.
I was happy, by the way, because that when finally Museveni Ginki Besije they met and good welcome Mote in public. Wachi, you can disagree on political principles, but religion is one unifying factor. Dini, very shallow spot. There's something Makiluo again in social movement, the point of convergence. If you're studying about the pin theory. So in that pin theory, you talking about the needs and what the differences you have. Ento take a more Makiluo convergence. And why sometimes conflicts do not take long, because how take a convergence point. Like for instance, Besije, Gen Kumu7, Gen gubedo Lukricto. Guruwate on lega. So at that point in time, conflict could not even go further completely. So Gen Monia Papa Lawo message my Wajane Kong Machel Kong playing homage to the homily mass and then to the people, but to Mon Magin Guchiero to realize ni Yesu Kristo uchi Yesu Kristo pere igere pere iliel. Yesu Kristo has resurrected, and that message was very, for me it was so instrumental for as a woman. It means even women have a lot of roles to play in the church. Yeah, I think that is me. I look forward to having a Bishop Matidaro some years to come, whether Anglican or Gere.
Yeah, I think we are heading towards that.
Yeah.
I've been to Abedo Lera, there's a Reverend Mama preaching Matidao. Trust me, we have Dr. Mark installing in any.
As a chaplain.
As a chaplain, I was moved because the religious faithful, we are all inspired by different people. And I'm here watching the preaching. Like, for example, like you remember when we were with you during the passing of the late Right Honorable Jacob. All the masses were led by women.
Yeah.
We
because it's Anglican.
It's Anglican.
It's Anglican. We have no problem with a woman leading a service or a mass.
So for me,
and the Catholics need to follow suit.
So for me, I was kind of impressed. I'm a Catholic. Where are the Catholic nuns in the church? Apart from just time, Holy Communion.
Visit the sick and
yes.
pray for the sick.
I don't know. It's a long discussion. Romo beti bene Romo time, Romo bene Romo time. Ento when we're saying people must have a level ground for inclusion, these are things that you should bring back on the table.
I've now started seeing the Mondong Giti Catholic Katakis. There are now Katakisua women. In Zobo, there are so many.
Yeah, they're there.
So now, the fact now, they don't compete down because Katakis, by the way, Gitiki Rose Madito to Avalo, even Palupadirigi, because Gena Egi Fonyo Lok Padini, Kidano. Now, you imagine you have a Katakis Matidaro, which means time is going to come where the Catholic Church, but if someone can be a Katakis, then a woman can also be a priest. What is wrong with a woman being a priest?
They should give space for everyone to grow where there's their ability.
True. Regardless of their gender and sex.
Regardless of woman, man, as long as there's potential, give them a chance.